Hi, I'm Crystal, and I'm here with a quick holiday craft project. I used A2 card bases and my holiday crafting supplies to make some place cards for Christmas dinner. Most craft supplies are sized for A2 cards, so that A2 card base is perfect for making the place cards. I used my Plaid Maker die cut and a Christmas tree die cut, some letters and some washi tape, and a little bit of metallic paint to make these place cards. Now we use place cards not because we're super formal, but because I do find it a little irritating to have 12 people asking me where they should sit while I'm trying to get dinner on the table. And gosh, I love an excuse to get out my craft supplies, so why not make this little festive project? Now I made my place cards from 12 by 12 paper. I cut that down. So I used the offcuts to make some tags. Now, we will not be exchanging presents this year at Christmas, but Santa Claus will be dropping by with some, not stockings, but gift bags. It is very warm here on the Gulf Coast, and so stockings are not exactly regionally appropriate, so gift bags are filling that niche. But I've got a tag for everyone who's attending, and, even adults like to have a little candy or a paperback book or something to mark the day. So it's a very easy, quick craft project, and I have listed the supplies in the description box if you're curious. But this is an occasion to get out whatever your own holiday craft supplies are and put them to an additional use this holiday season. I hope everybody's having fun in the run-up to Christmas, and I thank you for joining me today.